Hello, I'm Simon from Crooked Imaging, and today I'm very excited to have received the new Mavic Air Flame Red, and this is the Fly More combo. So this comes with 2 extra batteries, a large carry case, and a battery charging hub. So what I thought I'd do today is do an unboxing. So I haven't opened this at all yet. So what I'm going to do, the only thing I've done is I have taken off the cling film off the box. So let's have a quick look at what we have. Right, so already we have a carry case, and it looks like most of the accessories are in there. We have another carry case, a small case. And I'm guessing the drone is in that. What do we have in here? That's just a bit of packaging. Yep, nothing in that one. And another box which has all the paperwork, which is very important. And the beauty with the Mavic Air is that it also comes with prop guards, so very handy, especially if you want to fly indoors. Right. So, what should we look at first? Well, let's have a look at the drone. Now, I'm quite excited because the red one is the one that I've been waiting for. And there it is. There. The first thing I noticed comparing this, because I've got a Mavic Air, Mavic Pro myself. And one thing you notice is that it is substantially smaller, but it doesn't feel any less in build quality. So let's have a look. Numerous stickers on it. We've got the landing gear. So there's the drone. I say it's nice. I think this is the first DJI that has actually come shipped. Even the single unit on its own, comes with a nice carry case for the actual drone to protect it. And it's kind of it's not hard, but it's not soft either. It's a sort of a semi-rigid case, great for putting in your rucksack. Right. So what have we got in here? So we have the controller. It's a little bit different to the Mavic Pro in that it hasn't got a screen on it. But one of the nice features with the controller is the fact that you can take the sticks out. Move that sticker for the time being. Just in case you was wondering where the sticks are, they actually hide up inside the controller, and then they just simply screw on. So, have the controller. So, obviously, we believe that the Fly More combo is definitely the way to go with the Air. Obviously, because it's got slightly reduced battery time, so you're only 21 minutes. It does come with 3 batteries. So there's one already installed in the drone, and then it comes with 2 spare batteries. So that should give you, sort of an hour's flying time roughly. Comes with a battery charging hub, which the standard single unit doesn't come with. This will actually allow you to charge 4 batteries. So the way the hub works, it doesn't charge all 4 batteries at the same time. It will charge each battery individually, but it will select the one that's going to charge the fastest first, to obviously reduce your wait time. So that's the battery charging hub, and there's the all-important battery charger. So that connector will either go onto one of the batteries or plug into the battery charging hub and charge one or multiple batteries. Obviously, plug it into mains, and we have in this box. I think this box has got all the cables. So the controller itself comes pre-installed with the cable to connect it up to an Apple iPhone with the Lightning Connect cable. But it also comes with a charging cable for the controller, and that plugs just into one of the USB ports on the charger. And it comes with a couple of extra cables, with a micro SD for Android devices, and another cable that I'm not sure what that plugs into, but I'll add a comment in the notes. We have 2 spare sets of props. So again, the individual unit only comes with 1, whereas this Fly More combo comes with 2 spare sets, so that can be handy. We've got a spare set of sticks for the controller, just in case you lose one. And we also have a charging adapter, so this will fit onto one of the batteries. Put it around the right way, and now you can use that battery to charge your USB device, so your mobile phone or whatever. So that's quite handy as well. Again, that doesn't come with the standard kit, and it comes with the Fly More combo. They are available separately, but you pay less if you buy it all at the same time. So as you can see, that's quite a nice set of bits. Now there's numerous stickers on the drone. So you've got one there that tells you how to power the drone on and off. Like with all DJI products, it's just a 2-press operation. One thing you must make sure as well when you're powering it up is that you've removed the gimbal lock as well. This I believe to be a lot less fiddly than the one that comes with the Mavic Pro. Yeah, and it is. It's a much simpler operation. It just slides back on again and keeps into place. So that's quite nice. And the other thing that you notice straight away as well with the Mavic Air, if you're used to a Mavic Pro, is that the camera's nicely recessed back in to the body of the Mavic Air, which obviously gives you a lot more protection. I always found personally that the camera on the Mavic Pro is just a little bit sort of prone to being tapped or damaged, or when you're flying it, if you're coming into land and you've got grass, it's a little bit sort of sticky out, and prone to damage. So this is obviously everything that the DJI have had. You've got your cameras on the front, the all-important cameras on the back, and the cameras underneath. And these are all for positional sensing, for mapping out and obstacle avoidance. So it's always worth making sure that they're clean as well. Not a lot more to say about the drone. It's nice with the flip out landing gear. So I'll do a close up of that. So that's quite nice. Obviously make sure that they're flipped out before you go flying. Make sure that the props are all on nice and tight. It actually comes pre-installed with the props on there, but it's still worth checking to make sure that they're on correctly. And it's again the same as with the Mavic Pro. It's a simple push operation, so you sort of push down, twist the motor, and then you can feel that it's back in place. So there you have it. Now, the bag itself is very useful because you can store everything in it. I'll just having a fiddle with this. Trying to work out how you put the drone in. I believe you have a fold out pouch on the front, so you can actually carry everything. In the bag, which is very useful, and it's a nice bag as well. It's nicely made. A couple of little sort of cubby holes on there to keep spare memory cards and things like that. So that is what you receive with the Fly More combo set. Now, if you have any questions, you can obviously comment in the bottom of the video. So this is one of our first videos with the drones. We're going to be doing some more. I want to take it out and fly it, but unfortunately today it's blowing a gale outside. I think we're expecting to have the big winter storm coming in tomorrow and Monday, but it is just way too windy at the moment, which is a real shame because I really want to get out and fly it. But if you want to see a size comparison, just I've got my Mavic Pro down here as well, just so you can have a space. As you can see, it is a lot smaller. If I fold this up, the other thing you'll notice as well, actually, with the Mavic Air is that it doesn't come with folding props. There they are, side by side. So that is literally palm sized. So very, very exciting. I think the red's the best colour. Just to give you an example, just to give you a difference on the controller as well. Be better if I do it around that way. As you can see, the controller is very slightly different, but again, controller still feels nice and sturdy in the hand. And in the next video, I'll show us powering up the drone, powering up the controller with the app connected and everything, and just take you through that process. But yeah, hit that subscribe button. If you're interested in purchasing it, you can pop over to crookedimaging.co.uk, and we've usually got stock of. I think we're out of stock of the white at the moment, but we've got the Onyx black, and we've got the red in stock at the moment. But just keep an eye on the stock. We're in and out all the time at the moment because it is a very popular item. We've also got a large range of accessories as well, and we've got accessories from Polar Pro. So we've got filters, extended landing gear, phone mount, other bits and pieces. So all to accessorise your drone, make it easier to fly. But if you have any questions, as I say, please leave us a comment. Again, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks a lot.